Introducing the 2025 Kia Sportage PEK3 Mhev 5 door in sleek grey. This diesel-electric MPV with only 5,276 kilometres on the clock is loaded with comfort and safety features like air conditioning, cruise control, collision avoidance braking and more. Plus, it comes with a towbar preparation, cup holders, privacy glass and more. With an anti-corrosion warranty, over-air updates and self-driving capabilities, this vehicle is perfect for any lifestyle. Fully inspected and serviced to manufacturer specifications, it also comes with a comprehensive warranty for added peace of mind. Don't miss out on this amazing deal. Visit Dooley Motors Carlow or call us today.